Right, so I don't know what day we're on, but finally got this ply sheeting up. Yeah, I mean, pretty straightforward until you get to the ones here. So you just take a sheet and you measure up from this height here, and then you measure up that height, transfer that to the new sheet, cut it out, and of course it doesn't fit because although the sheet is square, the building certainly isn't square. The same with the other side, none of that is square. So I've had to hack the top up a little bit. I've had to have the board off and up and off a few times, and then got it roughly right. This is going to be sealed with some sealant or silicone sealant, whatever. Same with the corner there. This is flapping around because there's literally nothing behind it, so I'll probably put a piece of that battening up here just to neaten that edge up. Just cut out piece either side of the window, so no issues there. I've got two sheets left over because the piece that was cut off of both of these boards, I've actually managed to use it up the top. Yeah, it's a complete lash up, unfortunately. Same old story there, not square at all. So I had nice square cuts, and yeah, it didn't fit. And this is as good as I could get there. I could fill it, but with another piece of ply. And in fact, when I'm not so tired, perhaps tomorrow I will actually fill that. Just got a bit of cheap carpet, and my problem was off the roll it is only that wide. I would have had to have spun it the other way around and bought a hell of a lot more, almost twice the price, for the sake of that bit there. Now, as I'm going to be probably building some sort of bench here, I thought, sod it, we're not spending twice the amount to do another 3-4 inches of carpet. So that's that. That just something's not right here. I don't know whether the guy has not measured the carpet properly, or again it's wider this end than it is the other end, because we've got miles more carpet down there. So don't know what's gone on there. Doesn't matter, it goes up to the edge, so that's the main thing. What else? So a few tips. If you're cutting the smaller pieces out and you're putting them over a batten just to raise them off the ground before running the saw down, you've seen the little saw electric saw I was using. What I did was these small pieces of ply, I just nailed them with the brad nailer to the batten, and then just cut through them and popped them off the batten, and that just kept them in one place whilst I was cutting them out. Other than that, yeah, all good. I've bought some smoothing filler, and what I'm going to do is see what happens when I just fill these cracks and the brad holes with the filler. I don't think I'm going to be able to do it here very well, because this is going to move, obviously. Might be some shelving that goes up. I mean, who knows? I'm yet to decide exactly what's going to go in here, but I'm thinking I might transfer the main business from that workshop into this one, because this is going to be so much nicer. A lot of the heat will be kept out, hopefully, and a lot of the heat will be kept in during the winter. It'll probably be a lot cheaper to heat this than the other poor old thing with all the holes and stuff in it. Yeah, and then I'm going to paint it. We're going to give it a coat or two of a primer undercoat, and then we've got a silk emulsion in a grey, I think it is. Probably won't paint the windows, we'll just leave those as wood, but we will try just filling in with this filler. It's a quick dry filler. It's supposed to be a fine surface finish filler. So yeah, we'll see if that does the job. If not, we'll just slap paint over it and hide the dodgy bits with some battening. So yeah, there we go, ready for decorating.